everyone, and I am back, your teacher, your coach, and your mentor, the founder of Music Academy International, and welcome back. Today we're gonna continue our series on Christmas. Yes, and today we're gonna do Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer from this book, level 2B. Okay, so let me play it for you first. First, we're gonna practice our left hand chord. You know our C chord, like in all the other videos before that. So here is the tonic or the C chord, and then we're going to this chord. So this chord is the fourth chord, or it's an F chord inverted. C F A. Right? So let's do it a couple of times. This exercise, so you gotta make sure you do know these three chords is coming one more, because with these you can do a lot of songs on the left hand. Believe me, a lot of chords. Okay, a lot of songs, right? And then we having this chord B, F, and G. This one. So you go on this one, and you go on this one. And then you go on this one, back, and then on this one. Again, this one. Look to my wrist, how it goes up and down, and so don't stay stiff like that. Now you go down with the wrist, up and down, and practice your left hand. This, and this, and this, and this, and you are done. Mostly you just learn the entire left hand. Woo! So let's see what's happening on the right hand. Obviously, the melody. So you're starting with finger number 2 on G. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. My voice today is not that good, like in other videos. Anyhow, G A G E C. So you can see I'm pretty much in an F position, but I will play a lot of E. Not a lot, just one. G, A, G, E. So you skip here one note. G, A, G, E. Go to 5. C, A, G. 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 1 and 2 and 3. You only have 2 times, 3 times the C chord, C, E, G, okay, your C chord. If it's too hard, you can just play C and G, that's all. Or all 3, or just C. It will sound good with C as well, alright? But I would suggest you to try and practice that C chord on the left hand, okay? Together, we're starting on the same time. G, A, G, E, C, A, G, 2 more times. And then again, G, A, G, A, G, C, B. Guess what? It looks like I just missed the G, but actually I played F sharp G very fast. Alright, so let's go again. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer together had a very shiny nose. Okay, you got it? Stop the video, practice this line. Not big deal, we play a couple of times and then play it. Position, you're gonna do exactly the same thing. So you move one note lower. So you're gonna start this time with F. And if you ever saw it, so as you can see, I'm going exactly the same pattern. But they're different keys. It feels exactly the same though. 2, 3, 2, stretch to 1, so skip. And then 5, 4, 3, F, G, F, D, B, A, G. And then you remain on G and you gotta go G, A, G, A, G. You remember that? G, A, G, A, G. But this time you are with finger number 3 on G because you're coming from a different position. But you do the same keys. G, A, G, A, G, A, and back to E. G, A, G, A, G, A, exactly E, it's exactly where it's the thumb. Alright? So, the left hand this time is going to play this chord. This is second line. F, G, F, D, B, A, G, 2 times, and together. G, A, G, A, G, A, E, back to the C chord, but it's broken chord. C, E, G. Alright, I'm playing again this line and then all the way first 2 lines. F, G, F, B, B, A, G, 2 times, together. G, A, G, A, G, A, E, C, E, G. And guess what? Third line is the same as first line, and the fourth line starts exactly the same way as the second line. It just has a different ending because it's going. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer's game. So I'm gonna go for those 2 extra notes that are different than in the first 2 lines. Playing all the way from the beginning. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Repeat first line. All the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. Move down. They never let poor Rudolph. And here is the tricky part because you're gonna do same keys, but this time you switch from this G, so you just end it here with G on the right hand, finger number 3, you switch with finger number 1 on the same G. G, A, G, A, G, B, C. I'm playing again, so you are in G position right now, very easy. G, A, G, A, G, 5 on D, and C with the same chord on the left hand, the last one that you learned it, this one, right? G, A, G, A, G, B, C, and then you just add 3 notes on the left hand, C, D, E, and you land on this chord that you already know. So, what am I gonna say right now? Yes? What? Yes. Stop the video and practice this one, okay? Practice this line, you're gonna be fine. It's not that hard. And ask me question if you have any, alright? Good. I'm gonna go to the part B. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say. Alright, so let's see how is the right hand, because the left hand is nothing there. It's this chord that we already practiced on, the F chord inverted, and then it's this chord that we already know, it's C chord, right? If it's too hard, you can only play the F and A on the left hand, and then you can play E and G, right? The next one is F and G. So we're gonna have again this one, this one, F and G, and 2 times E and G. So a second and a third. Piece of cake, right? The right hand, so you just finish here, G, A, G, A, G, D, C, right? So you are in G position right now. Again, you're gonna go on the F position, okay? So you're starting with finger number 3 on A. A, C, A, easy. A, C, A, G, E, G. Again. A, so let's go with the left hand. A, C, A, G, E, G. You see how? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And now, you're gonna have on the left hand the second. From the G, you go 1 key lower, and you're gonna go F, A, G, F, E. Again, F, I'm gonna go again. A, C, A, G, E, G. Go down. F, A, G, F, E. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. In this moment, the number 2 goes over E or over the thumb, and it's gonna just do a tricky thing. B, E, G, A, B, B, B. So let's practice this. B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E. Right? So you just do this couple of times. B, E, and then skip to G. G, A, B, B, B. Let's put it with the left hand, these 2 measures. Okay, so you have B on the right hand with a D on the left hand. It's on finger number 4. Both D's. D from the dog. B, E, G, A, B, B, B. So 3 B's on the right hand on the pinky, and then 3 G's on the left hand. G, G, and B, B, B. And then you move 1 up, and you go C, C, B, A, G, F, B. Right? So again, so D, E, G, A, 3 times this, and then you go up, 1, C, C, B, A, G, and then F over, so you gotta skip this one, F, D, so you're gonna skip the E. Just reach a little bit higher, further away. C, C, B, E, G, F, B, with the left hand on the F sharp, and then you're gonna have a G. So F sharp is this black key that stays exactly after the F. This is F, and this one is the F sharp, the black key. Alright? So C, 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 B, and then on G, both hands together. G, F, B. Won't you guide my sleep tonight? gonna do it a couple of times, okay? I'm playing these two lines that I just did, and guess what? The next two, they're exactly the same, like the other one from section A, okay? We're having one more note, extra note, it's coming right now. So, then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And next. And then how the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Switch with number one. You'll go down in history. What did I say? One extra note. Which one? Another C. And you're done. How did you like it? Did you enjoy it? So I hope you like it and come back for our next tutorial on another Christmas. Thank you so much, and I so much love you, and practice.